What's up, guys? Me and my cousin, we found this machine type thing. Then we hacked it. Then this type of stuff came out. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video and see what's inside. Come. So let's unbox the first one. This. Yeah, I think this is a bouncy ball.
What is this?
What is that?
I don't know.
That looks weird. I think it's like some chain. Look, you can put like some ring in it. What's that? Oh wait, was that in the Winnie the Pooh thing? It looks like, innit?
Oh,
Open it. Take it out.
this is so cute. Oh my god.
Try pulling it, like, yeah. Oh, so like, is it like when you just hang it, then after it just goes like that, innit? Wait a minute, we have two bouncy balls. This is Minion.
Oh,
What's that? Wait, I think it's. Oh my gosh, it's flexible. That's so
this guy
flexible.
is so flexible.
Look at this. Should we see which one's bouncier?
Oh my god.
Let's see which one's bouncier. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, they're the same. And let's see now these two. Oh look, that looks like a ring. Let's see what that is. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
I think that glows in the dark. Hey, crap, that is sick. Let's read it. Oh, it says in Dutch. I don't know what it says. What does it say?
Let's
Translate in English. What does that say? What does it at the top? Me. I think it's some glowing stuff. Wait, open this, open this. What is this? Then you know what it says. Anyways, just open it. Let's see what's inside that. It's actually loads, to be honest. Wait, I think we lost one. The one. Yeah, that's a glow thingy. I think it's like a necklace. Like long.
Yeah.
Yep. It's a necklace. That was actually weird because like some reason it just paused.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Stop him.
Bruh. It's actually a sick ring.
Stop him.
Bruh. It's actually a sick ring because like it's like a bat. And look. Is it cool today?
Yeah.
It's actually sick. Yeah, we had like loads of stuff. Okay, I actually feel like something broke because like there's a big gap. Let me quickly check. Nothing there. Oh. If you guys enjoy this video,
Please make sure and like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
and
Thanks.
the next video, I might teach you how to hack these machines. So like you can get these free stuff as well. Anyways, bye.